Good morning, my dear friends. This is Muhammad Ali Qureshi. Once again, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we are going to discuss about prepositions of place in, on, at. Preposition of place in, on, at. First of all, we understand what is preposition of place. Definition: a preposition of place is a preposition which is used to refer to a place where something or someone is located. It means prepositions of place show something or someone is where located. In. We use in for enclosed space and geographical regions. What is the meaning of enclosed space? First of all, we understand what is the meaning of enclosed space. Enclosed space means which is not used for day-to-day activity, limited opening or entry and exit. Second meaning is geographical regions. Geographical regions mean a demarcated area of the earth. Look at the example: in countries, in cities, in neighborhood, in enclosed space. In we can use in with cities, countries name, cities name, neighborhood, and enclosed spaces. Example: in England, in America, in London, in New York, in Manhattan, in Chinatown, in a traffic jam, in a car. Look at this example. The dog is in the garden. In the garden is preposition of place. Jen lives in London. I have an apple in my bag. There is a shark in the water. These are some example of preposition of place. Look at there. I have a meeting in New York. They got stuck in a traffic jam. Do you work in an office? Mona works in a bank. Next preposition is at. We use at for a point and institutions. What is the meaning of institutions? Institutions means an organization that has a particular purpose, the building used by these organizations. Example: bank, office, college, universities. These are example for institutions. Now we can see that when we can use add exact address or intersections. Example: at 734 State Street, add plus specific location and points. Example: at the Empire State Building, at the corner, at the bus stop. Jan is waiting for you at the bus stop. Sarah is working at her desk. The shop is at the end of street. My house is at the end of street. Look at these examples. The car is waiting at the traffic lights. Open your book at page number 9. I stand at the door. The children are at their uncle's house. At the traffic light, so point, page number, at the door, at their uncle's house. It's so places. Last preposition is on. We use on for a surface and public transport. What is the meaning of surface? Surface means the outside part of something. We can use on with means of transport. Example, on a bus, on a train, on a plane. We can use on with communications, on the radio, on the television, on the phone, on the internet. We can on with surfaces, on a table, on a wall, on the floor, on the roof. My books are on the table. The author's name is on the cover of the book. There is a clock on the wall. There is a candle on the cake. On the table, on the cover of the book, on the wall, on the cake. It's so a position and place. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and share. Goodbye everyone.